Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily, where learning English is simple, natural, and enjoyable. I'm Olivia.
Hello, Olivia. Hello, everyone. It's really great to be here with you today. My name is Jack.
In today's episode, we're going to listen to a long, calm, real-life English conversation. This story is about something that happens unexpectedly, a sudden meeting.
Yes, sometimes life surprises us, and sometimes a simple meeting can turn into a meaningful connection.
This conversation is perfect for learners who want to improve their listening, speaking, and confidence in English.
We will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally. So relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy the conversation.
At the bus stop, a sudden meeting. Excuse me, is this bus going to the city library?
Yes, it is. You're in the right place. The next stop is the city library.
Oh, that's great to hear. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. No problem at all.
Sorry to ask, but you look familiar.
Really? That's interesting, because I was thinking the same thing.
Yes, I feel like we have met before, but I'm not sure where.
I feel that way too. Your face seems familiar.
I'm trying to remember, but I can't place it.
Let me think for a moment. Were you at the library last Saturday?
Yes, actually I was. I spent most of the afternoon there.
Then I think I remember now. You were sitting in the reading section.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, now I remember clearly. You helped me find a book.
Yes, I did. You were looking for an English grammar book.
Exactly. I had trouble finding it, and you were very kind.
I'm glad I could help. Introducing themselves.
By the way, my name is Jack.
Nice to meet you again, Jack. I'm Olivia.
It's really nice to meet you again, Olivia.
What a surprise to meet you here like this.
Yes, meeting again at a bus stop feels very unexpected.
Talking about habits.
Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I do. I usually go there on weekends.
Same here. I really enjoy studying and reading there.
Me too. It's quiet, calm, and comfortable.
What do you usually read?
I like novels, but I also read English learning books.
That's great. I'm also learning English.
Your English sounds quite good.
Thank you. I try to practice every day, even if it's just a little.
That's a very good habit.
Study and work. Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student. I study commerce and business.
Oh, that's nice. I work in a small company.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in customer support.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it is. I talk to many people every day.
That must help your English a lot.
It really does. Talking every day gives me practice. Living nearby. Where do you live?
I live near the library.
Oh, really? I live nearby too.
That's nice. So we're neighbors.
Yes, it seems so. Making a plan. Do you usually come to the library alone?
Mostly, yes, but sometimes I go with friends.
I usually come alone as well.
Maybe we can study together next time.
That's a great idea. We can practice English speaking together.
I'd really like that.
Me too. Coffee after studying. Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Same here. There's a small cafe near the library.
Yes, I know that place.
Maybe we can go there after studying.
That sounds very nice.
Ending the scene. I'm really glad we met again today.
Me too. I think we can become good friends.
Yes, I feel the same.
Oh, here comes our bus stop.
Yes, this is the library stop.
Let's go together.
Sure. I'm happy to make a new friend today.
Me too, Jack. See you inside the library.
Excuse me, may I sit here for a moment?
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all.
This place is quite crowded today.
Yes, it is. It feels busier than usual.
I didn't expect so many people today.
Neither did I. Usually it's much quieter here.
Are you waiting for someone?
No, not really. I'm just taking a short break.
I see. Sometimes a short break is very helpful.
Yes, especially when the day feels long.
That's true. Even a few minutes can make a difference. You seem a little unsure.
Actually, I feel like I know you.
That's interesting, because I feel the same way.
Really?
Yes, your face looks familiar to me.
I was thinking the same thing. I'm trying to remember where we met.
Me too. It feels like it's on the tip of my tongue.
Exactly. I almost remember, but not clearly.
Let's think about it together. Was it indoors or outdoors?
I think it was indoors.
Yes, I agree. Somewhere quiet.
A calm place, not too noisy.
Maybe a place where people don't talk much.
That sounds right.
Could it have been a study place?
That sounds familiar.
Wait a moment. Was it a library?
Yes, that's it.
I remember now.
So do I.
We were sitting a few tables apart.
Yes, that's right.
It was in the afternoon.
And the sunlight was coming through the windows.
You were reading a thick book.
Yes, I remember that.
You were also taking notes.
That's true. I was preparing for my studies.
Now everything makes sense.
I'm glad we figured it out.
Me too. It feels good to remember. By the way, my name is Jack.
Nice to meet you again, Jack. I'm Olivia.
It's good to see you a second time, Olivia.
Yes, it feels familiar and comfortable now.
I didn't expect to meet you here today.
Same here. I rarely come to this place.
Is this your first time here today?
Yes, I stopped here suddenly.
I also came here without planning.
Sometimes unplanned moments are the best.
I agree. They feel more natural and less stressful.
Exactly. There's no pressure.
Where were you going?
Yes, I was heading home.
I was going to the market nearby.
Then this meeting was truly unexpected.
Yes, but it's a pleasant surprise.
I think so too.
I'm glad I recognized you.
I'm happy you spoke first.
Otherwise, we might not be talking right now.
That would have been unfortunate.
Yes, we might have missed this moment.
I'm glad we didn't.
It's nice talking like this.
I feel the same way.
Sometimes small conversations can make the day better.
Yes, especially when they feel easy.
I'm glad we're talking now.
Me too, Jack.
Everyone watching, notice how we use phrases like, I feel like I know you. It sounds familiar. And I didn't expect to meet you here.
These expressions are very common in daily English. Try repeating them aloud for practice. Excuse me, is this the line for the number 12 bus?
Yes, it is. It usually arrives in a few minutes.
Thank you. I wasn't sure.
No worries at all. The schedule here can be confusing.
Yes, especially when you're in a hurry.
That's true. It looks like it might rain again.
Yes, the weather has been strange all day.
It was sunny this morning, but now it feels cold.
I didn't expect rain today.
Neither did I.
Sorry if this sounds a bit strange, but have we met before?
You know, I was just about to ask you the same thing.
Really?
Yes. Your face feels very familiar to me.
I feel that too, but I can't remember where.
Let's think for a moment. Were you at a community event recently?
No, I don't think so.
Then maybe somewhere quieter.
Wait, did you attend a short workshop last week?
Yes, I did.
Was it about communication skills?
Yes, exactly.
That's it! I was sitting near the window.
Now I remember clearly.
We spoke briefly during the break.
Yes, about improving confidence.
That's right.
I didn't expect to see you again so soon.
Neither did I.
This really feels like a coincidence.
Yes, but a nice one.
By the way, my name is Jack.
Nice to see you again, Jack. I'm Olivia.
It's good to put a name to the face.
Yes, it makes remembering much easier.
Do you take this bus every day?
Only in the evenings. I work nearby.
Oh, what do you do?
I work in a design studio.
That sounds very creative.
It is, but it can be tiring.
I can imagine. What about you?
I work in sales.
That must involve a lot of talking.
Yes, it does. And listening, too.
The workshop probably helped then.
It did, actually.
I found it useful as well.
It helped me feel more confident.
Confidence makes a big difference.
Yes, especially when speaking English. Do you live far from here?
About 15 minutes by bus.
That's not too bad.
What about you?
I live a bit farther, near the park.
Oh, that's a nice area.
Yes, it's quiet and green.
I like peaceful places.
Me too. They help me relax after a long day.
It's nice talking like this.
I was thinking the same thing.
Sometimes short conversations feel very meaningful.
Yes, especially when there's no pressure.
Maybe we'll meet again at another workshop.
Or here at this bus stop.
That would be funny.
I'm glad I spoke to you today.
Me too. It made the waiting nicer.
Oh, here comes the bus.
Yes, finally.
Shall we get on?
Sure.
Learning tip for viewers.
Everyone watching, notice phrases like, have we met before? This feels like a coincidence, and I didn't expect to see you again so soon.
Try using these expressions in your own conversations.
Looks like it's a bit crowded today.
Yes, evenings are usually like this.
Do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please, go ahead.
Thank you.
You look a little tired.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
Same here. Work was busy today.
What kind of project were you working on?
We had a tight deadline.
Those are always stressful.
Yes, but finishing them feels great.
I agree. It's a relief when the day ends. What do you usually do after work?
I try to relax. Sometimes I read, sometimes I walk.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I usually listen to music.
Any favorite type?
Mostly calm music. It helps me clear my mind.
I like calm music too.
Do you like podcasts?
Yes, especially language podcasts.
Really? I listen to English ones.
Me too. They help with pronunciation.
And with confidence.
Exactly.
How long have you been learning English?
For a few years, on and off.
Same here.
Speaking is still the hardest part for me.
I feel the same.
But conversations like this help.
Yes, real conversations are the best practice.
I feel more relaxed speaking with you.
Me too. There's no pressure.
That makes a big difference.
It really does. What do you usually do on weekends?
I meet friends or visit my family.
That sounds lovely.
What about you?
I like going for walks or watching movies.
Any favorite movies?
I enjoy simple, feel-good movies.
Those are the best after a long week.
Is this your stop?
Not yet. I still have a few more stops.
Same here.
Good. I'm enjoying the conversation.
Me too. Maybe we could practice English together sometime.
That's a great idea.
Like a coffee and a short conversation.
I'd like that.
No pressure, of course.
Of course.
I'm really glad we met again.
Me too. It made my day better.
Sometimes small talks lead to good connections.
Yes, they do. Notice phrases like, what do you usually do after work? I feel more relaxed, and maybe we could.
These are polite, natural ways to connect with people.
I think my stop is coming up.
Oh, mine too. That was quicker than I expected.
Yes, time goes fast when you're enjoying a conversation.
It really does. I'm glad we talked today.
Me too. It made the ride much nicer.
I didn't expect such a pleasant chat.
Neither did I, but I'm happy it happened.
Would you like to exchange numbers?
Yes, that sounds good.
We could practice English together sometime.
I'd really like that.
Here, I'll save your number.
And I'll save yours.
Maybe next week.
Sure, we can decide later.
No rush at all.
Exactly.
This is me.
Oh, me too.
What a coincidence again.
Yes, it seems we're lucky today.
It was really nice meeting you, Olivia.
Nice meeting you too, Jack.
Have a great evening.
You too. Take care.
See you soon.
See you.
Notice friendly closing phrases like, it was really nice meeting you. Have a great evening, and see you soon.
These phrases help you end conversations naturally and politely.
Real English is about simple words, calm speaking, and real connection.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and don't be afraid to speak.
Thanks for watching Easy English Daily.